Last class we have discussed about what are the differences between Angular and React. Okay. Next one we have discussed about TypeScript also. Okay. So what TypeScript concepts we have, those TypeScript concepts also we discussed here. Right. Now we are going to discuss about the next concept. So that is how to install this TypeScript and how to work with this TypeScript. These concepts we are discussing now. Okay. Yeah. So installation of TypeScript and how to work with this TypeScript. So here to install the TypeScript, first of all, we are taking the support of, okay, we're taking the support of node repository. Node repository support we are using here. Just here, what is node repository and how to work with this node repository we are discussing now. Yes. Node. Actually, first of all, what is a repository? Yeah. So that concept we're discussing. What is repository? Repository is nothing but a location. Repository is a location providing many predefined packages of various technologies. Okay. Now here, repository is a location providing many predefined packages of various technologies. Now here, repository is a location provides packages of different technologies like Angular, TypeScript, React JS, etc. Okay, so like that, different technologies packages are available here in the repositories. Okay, so we have different types of repositories. One is node repositories there. Another one is an repository like that. Now here, available repositories are node comma next and comma etc. Yes, like so like the different types of repositories we have. Node is one type of repository and an is one type of repository like that. Yes, fine. Now we are taking the support of these repositories. Got it. We are taking the support of these repositories. So repository is nothing but a location providing packages of various technologies like node related packages, TypeScript related packages, and any other packages, React packages, etc. Now you want to download TypeScript, then we can connect with this either node or and repository. Any repository we can use here. Is it clear? Yes. So you can use the repository like you can use node repository, either node repository or and repository we can use here to connect with this concept. Okay, fine. Now here we are working with node repository because most of the software companies, okay, using this node repository only. So that's why here also we are working with this node repository. Okay, yeah. Now if you take the node repository, the official website of node repository is npmjs.org. Actually, this is the website. From this website, we are getting the required softwares. Is it clear? So from this website, we are getting the required softwares here. So what is the official website name? npmjs.org. Is this clear? Yes. Now, directly want to download the required software in this npmjs.org. So it is not possible directly. For example, if you open npmjs.org, so here in this, so we don't have any download options here. Yes, if I scroll this web page down like this, we don't have any download options. So that's why it is not possible to download directly from this repository. Any package like TypeScript packages or Angular related packages, anyone you want to download, so then it is not possible to work with this. Okay, for that we are using separate program. So what that program we are using here? Yes, nothing but just npm program. So first we discussed about what is repository. Yes, so repository, once again you can see here. Okay, so repository is nothing but a location. Yes, it is providing collection of packages to work with various technologies like Angular, React, etc. So repository is nothing but the location providing the packages related to various technologies here. Okay, yes. So now here, this repository we are using in which point of? Okay. To download the required packages, in this point of we are using this repository. So here, what type of packages are available? Yes, different technology packages are available here, like Node packages. Okay, and next one, Angular packages. Next one, React packages. Like the different types of packages are available to get the we can download from this Node repository. So what is the program we are using for Node repository? So npm program. Yes, what is that? Npm program. So this npm program we are using to download the packages from Node repository. Okay, now here Node package manager. What is that? npm, we can call it as Node package manager. It is a program to download the required packages from Node repository. Yes, we can download the required packages from Node repository. What this program we are using here? npm program. It is clear? Yes. So here, this npm program by default, is it available in our system? No. By default, it is not available. Okay, we have to download this one. Okay. Yes. How can I download this npm program? Okay, we can download this program from Node or by installing Node.js. We can download this program by installing Node.js. Okay, so here, so we need to install Node.js. Okay, to get this npm program. Okay, now here, after installation of Node.js, we are getting two things. First one is npm program. Second one is Node server. Yeah. So here, once we install Node.js, then we are getting two things. Okay. What are these two things? One is npm program, and next one is What the next one? Node server. Got it. So once again, if you observe here, we are using node repository. Okay, to download any software from node repository, okay, we are installing two things. Yes, we are using one program. Yes, tell me, Gopi Krishna, what is the program we are using? You can speak out now, Gopi Krishna. Yes.
npm.
NPM program. Yes. So by default, NPM program, is it available in your system?
No.
No, it is not available. Okay. So now here, then, yeah. How can you get this?
By downloading Node.js.
By downloading Node.js. Yes, by downloading Node.js, it is available. So next, Vasanta. So here, what are the softwares downloading with Node.js? Okay. So what are the softwares available with this download, Node.js download?
We'll get npm program and node server.
Yeah, one is npm program, another one is node server. Yes, one is npm program, another one is node server, right? Yes. Now here, npm program, in which point of we are using here, we can use this program to download the required package from node repository. Yes. Yeah. Next, node server. We can use node server to run Node.js script. Yes, yeah. To run Node.js script. In this point of we are using this. But here, this is very important for us, not node server. It is clear? So npm program is very, very important for us, but not node server. Because we don't work with this node server, that's the main point here. We are working with what? NPM program. Is it clear? Yes. Node server, what is the main purpose of this node server? Okay. Node server we are using in which point of view? To execute Node.js script. But we don't work with this Node.js script. Okay, we are using NPM program, right? Yes. Yeah. Now here I am discussing how to install this Node.js. Save it. Yeah. Now here, go to this Chrome. Yeah. So Node.js you want to install on website is there. Okay. So what is the website? Nodejs.org. Yes. Yeah. Like that. So Nodejs.org is there. So here, go to this Nodejs.org. Yeah. See this website. We have these two types here. Okay, one is 14.15, 15.5.1. So latest one I am installing. Yes, it is downloading now. The download process is started, and it is not yet completed. Yeah. Let me say the same. So open when done is selected. Yes. Now you can see here it is installing that Node.js. Yeah. Now it displays the next button. Next, I accept the terms and conditions. Next, 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 and go to this install option. Like I'm taking this. It is installing the process. Click on this S button. Process is downloading. Okay. Yes, process is installing. Yes. Now it is completed. Yeah. It is done now. Now Node.js is installed successfully. Now you want to check whether it is installed or not. How can you check? Open the command prompt. Okay. So node-v we are using version. What is that version? 15.5. Yes. Yeah. So node-v I have given. What is the version here? 15.5. Yes. Next one here. Node package manager version you want to get npm-v. That's the version of node package manager. One is node-v, another one is npm-v, like that. Yes, like that we are using these two here. Okay. So once again, if you observe this one, yes, we are getting the npm version 7.3, node version, what is it, 15.5. Like that we are getting these versions here. Yes, fine. So this is the way how to install this Node.js and npm programs. Now you people are clear with this. Any doubts you have, you can ask me now. Yes, sir. Till now it is clear. Yes, sir. No. Okay. So you can ask me the questions if you have any. Something Vasanta Lakshmi. Clear? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir. It's clear.
Okay, you are attending React also, right?
No, only Angular, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, what is our next requirement? Yes. Our next requirement is I want to, okay, install TypeScript. I want to install the TypeScript. Then how can we install the TypeScript? Okay, for that we are using like this. Yeah. npm install TypeScript -g we should use. Yeah. Now we are installing TypeScript. Okay. I told you we are using npm program for installing anything. What we are installing a TypeScript -g. Globally we are installing this one. I will discuss how to install now with the command prompt. This command is clear now. So in future, Angular related packages also you want to install, same npm install. Okay, that Angular related different types of packages are available in Angular. Core is one package, next one. Common is one package, and compiler is one package. Platform browser is one package. Like that, different types of packages are available. We can use these packages like this. Yes, yeah. Now the thing is here we are using this one. So npm install TypeScript -g. Okay. Now means -g means globally it is installing here. Okay. Globally it is installing here. Yeah. What is the meaning of global installation? Yes. So if we install globally, then we can use from any location. Means for example, I'm opening command prompt. Yes, in this command prompt, right now we are in C:/users my computer location. Okay. Yes, we are in this location. Now, what is my requirement here? Okay. Now my requirement is I want to install. Okay, I want to install this TypeScript here. Okay. Yes. Now npm install TypeScript. For example, I have given like this. Then it will install in the current location. So you want to work with other locations like D drive or E drive, etc. It is not work out. So if I use here -g, then TypeScript is available in any path, any location in your application. So that is the concept of this npm install. It is clear. Now press enter key. Now it is installing the TypeScript here. Yes.
36 and 87 mouse are try just for the
Now TypeScript has been installed successfully. Okay.
try.
Yes, TypeScript has been installed successfully here. Now the next requirement, I want to work with this. So TypeScript programs. To work with the TypeScript programs, basic points first we should know. We should know the basic points. What are the basic points we have? Those basic points we should know. Okay, that is the concept of this. Okay. So first, is this clear? Yeah. Any doubts you have in this point of you can ask me now.
Main picture 87.
So any queries? No doubts. Okay, fine. Now here we are discussing some programming points first. Okay. Okay. What are the programming points we have? Those programming points we are discussing now. Yes. TypeScript is okay. Type safe, supports different data types like integer, string, boolean, etc. Yes. TypeScript is type safe. It is supporting different types of data types like integer, string, boolean, etc. These type of data types it is supporting here. Okay. Next, TypeScript file extension should be .ts. What the extension of this TypeScript file? .ts is the extension of TypeScript file. Okay. Next. In TypeScript file, we can also use JavaScript. So in TypeScript file, we can also write the code of JavaScript. Okay. Yes. Next one. We can use object-oriented programming concepts in TypeScript. So in JavaScript and TypeScript differences I told you. In JavaScript, we don't use object-oriented programming concepts. But in TypeScript, we are using object-oriented programming concepts. Like that, we can use object-oriented programming concepts in TypeScript. Yes? Okay, fine. And next one. TypeScript. Okay. In TypeScript. In TypeScript, every statement should terminate with either semicolon or enter key. So every statement in TypeScript should terminate with either semicolon or enter key like that. Means statements in TypeScript terminates with either semicolon or enter key. Okay. Next one. TSC is a command to compile TypeScript program. Yeah. So what is the command we are using here? TSC. So for example, we created one file with the name abc.ts. Then how can I compile here tsc abc.ts like that we are using here. So what is the command we are using here? tsc abc.ts. So this is the command which we are using for compilation to compile TypeScript file. Okay. Now what is the process of compilation? Okay. Compilation is a process of checking for errors. If no errors in code, it converts into yes. No errors are there in code, it converts into JavaScript file. Yeah. Compilation is the process of checking for errors. So in the TypeScript, first it is checking every error here. Okay. Yeah. So if no errors are there, then it is converting into JavaScript file. Okay. Now you can ask me one question. So what is JavaScript? Why JavaScript we are using like that? Yes. Yeah. Why we are using JavaScript? That question you may ask. Yes. Here after compilation, okay, it generates JavaScript. I told you because browser can understand only JavaScript code. Browser cannot understand TypeScript code. That's why when we are sending the code into browser, yes, compulsory we should use JavaScript only. It is not supporting, the browser is not supporting the TypeScript code. That's the concept of compilation. So this way here, every browser contains JavaScript engines only. So that's why first we are creating the program in TypeScript. Everything is done. Then after that we are compiling into JavaScript. Then that JavaScript is executing there. This is the process of compilation. Now, if you ask me, sir, why should we use TypeScript? Then directly we can create in JavaScript. Yes, you can also create programs in JavaScript. But the thing is, TypeScript is very convenient for programmer. That's why we are using TypeScript. That's the first point. Yes, it is mainly convenient for the programmers. Yes, and the second point is nothing but here. Yeah, what is the second point? Yes, so TypeScript, if you take the TypeScript we are using in another point of view, that is accessing the node modules. Okay, means Angular modules. Angular modules you want to access, then compulsory we are using TypeScript in programmers convenient point of view, and in Angular modules accessible point of, we are taking the support of TypeScript. That is the concept of this. Okay. So in these scenarios, we are working with this TypeScript here. Finally, it is converting into JavaScript only. That JavaScript we are sending to the browser. That is the concept of this. Then browser is executing that JavaScript code. Then we are getting the output based on that. Yes, this is the procedure which is working here. Is this clear? Yes. Now, how to create the program and how to work with this program. So that concept we have to discuss. Now, you people clear with this concept. Any doubts you have, you can ask me now. All of you clear with this concept or no? Yes? Yeah. So any questions you want to ask, you can ask me. Gopi, Krishna, Ashanta, clear na?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah.
Clear, sir. No doubts.
Yeah. So how to create the TypeScript program, how to install that I will discuss. But the thing is, okay, today I'm stopping here because just my baby birthday is there. Okay, so that's why just tomorrow. That's why I have some work now. Okay, so that's why tomorrow I will continue with this concept, how to create the program, how to compile. Okay, so all of you today install this and that Node.js and install the TypeScript, okay, from Node repository. And how to create the program and everything, I will continue tomorrow. Okay, so due to that occasion, I'm stopping this batch now today. Okay, is it okay to you?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. See you next class. You can leave now. Bye.
Bye.